On episode 2 of 50 Desserts from 50 States, we're gonna make a favorite from Minnesota. 7-layer bars. They're also known as magic bars, hello dollies, and I think coconut dream bars. When I first read the recipe, truthfully it sounded super boring to me. I'd never had them before, and it just sounded like you were throwing a whole bunch of stuff in a pan, and how is that gonna taste good at all? Made them. And I actually think they should be called magic bars because I thought they were absolutely delicious and super easy to make that anybody can do it. If you liked the video, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. And as always, links and information are in the description below. So the first thing you're gonna do with the recipe is preheat your oven to 350 degrees. At this point, you're gonna wanna go ahead and put your stick of butter. I'm making a half recipe, so I just have a 1/4 cup of butter. If you're making a full, it's gonna be 1/2 cup. Put that in the oven while it's preheating so your butter's gonna melt in the pan. Once it's melted, you just want to kind of roll it around. You want to get a little on each side, which is hard to do because it is hot. Now we need to make our graham cracker crumbs. You can buy graham crackers already crumbed. I have a box of just regular graham crackers, so I'm going to toss them into the blender real quick and make our own crumb. We're going to be using the grind setting, and it's only going to take about 15 seconds. Real quick and easy, and you have your graham cracker crumb all ready to go. We need 3/4 cup of graham cracker crumb. Now you're just gonna sprinkle it on top of your melted butter. Once you have it poured in, I just take a spatula, move it all around so the whole bottom is covered. Now for the rest of your layers. 1/2 cup semi-sweet chocolate chip. 1/2 cup butterscotch chips. 1/2 cup chopped walnuts. I really liked the walnuts, so I'm actually gonna add a few more than 1/2 cup. I really liked the crunch.
Minnesota is known as the land of 10,000 lakes, but how many lakes does Minnesota have?
I think it has more than 10,000. But I don't know. 12,000.
Close. 11,842.
I knew it had more. For this layer, I'm just gonna be drizzling 1/2 can of sweetened condensed milk on top. And last but certainly not least, the 7th layer, coconut. This is my favorite layer. If you're gonna measure it out, I wanna say it ends up being about 3/4 cup. I don't measure it. I just put it on until the top is nicely covered and it looks delicious. I just try to make sure the whole top is covered. Now you're gonna put it in your oven for 20 to 25 minutes. You're gonna wanna be watching the edges for them to turn brown and your coconut to get nice and toasted. Once they're done, you wanna let them come to room temperature. I personally prefer them right out of the fridge. And really, they're that easy to make. You can whip this up and take it to a picnic or a party at your friend's house, and they're gonna think you slaved over them when really you didn't. Do you agree with my pick for Minnesota? If not, let me know what you would have chosen in the comments. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.
That was that slow roll to me. It looks like you're looking for a fun fact.